folks, the new year means one thing. Tax time is fast approaching, everybody. So when it comes to taxes, what do you think of first? That's right, the refund.
Yes.
Y'all didn't waste no time saying that. We're here to share some filing tips that will maximize that refund. It's CPA with TurboTax, Lisa Green Lewis. Hi, Lisa.
Hi, how you doing?
Good.
Thank you for having me.
Lisa, can everyone get back money at tax time?
Yes, most people can get back a refund, Steve.
I'm gonna have to have you come talk to some people of mine.
Yes. If you have a refund coming, you need to get every dollar you deserve. And there are many ways to do that and get more money back in your pocket. And I'm here to share some tips with you today.
Now, Lisa, everybody, has got a quiz to test your tax IQ. We're gonna all take it together right now. Okay, so here's the first question. Approximately what percentage of taxpayers actually receive a tax refund last year? Was it 27%, 51%, or 73%? What do you... All right, Lisa, was the audience close?
It's 73%. Believe it or not, last tax season, 73% of taxpayers did receive a refund, and the average refund was about $2,700. That's a lot of money. For many people, that's the biggest paycheck they get all year. Mm-hmm. And, you know, you just have to file your taxes in order to get that. And a lot of people are hesitant because they're afraid of how much it's going to cost to get their taxes prepared. But I'm here to share 2 free options with you. The first one, you can go online with irs.gov and do the Free File Alliance. Second, if you're one of the 60 million taxpayers that has a fairly straightforward tax return, so that's a 1040A or a 1040EZ, you can go online with TurboTax and file your federal and state return for absolutely $0 today.
Well, let's move on to the next question. Here it is right here. True or false, audience? You may be able to get almost $4,000 in tax deductions for your friend who's been crashing on your couch this year. True or false? False? True? Split. Lisa, true or false?
It's absolutely true, Steve. You can get a deduction, and I know many of you have probably experienced this already and didn't know about this. You can get up to $4,000 in a tax deduction if you've been providing over half their support and they meet a few other conditions. And this just shows you, this is just an example of there are so many tax deductions that people don't know about that are overlooked. You know, you could have traveled to go for a job interview. That can be a tax deduction. You may have sent your kids to summer day camp. That's a tax deduction. Sending your kids off to college, you can get a tax deduction for that as well.
All right, let's move on to the last question. For the first time ever, you must report what on your taxes this year? I ain't even give you the options.
Didn't get the options.
Your health insurance, your pets, or your weight. That's some money back now. I can get this weight on this tax return. I can get me some money. All right, audience, what is it? Everybody,
Very
health
good.
insurance.
Thank God it's not your weight. Yes, it is your health insurance. Yeah. For 2014, many of you already know, it was the first year that you were required to have health insurance or face a tax penalty on your taxes. About close to 9 out of 10 Americans already have health insurance, so they'll be required to report that on their taxes when they file. So if you didn't purchase health insurance this year, the good news is you may be exempt. TurboTax has a new free online tool called Exemption Check where you can find out if you're exempt from the requirement to purchase health insurance and from the tax penalty. And you can find that out very quickly using that tool. And then if you still don't have insurance, you have until February 15th, 2015 to purchase health insurance in the marketplace. And you can find out more at TurboTaxHealth.com.
I hope that helps everybody out just a little bit more. There are some deductions that you didn't know about. I want to say thank you, Lisa.
Thank you.
Great job. Audience, to help you get your maximum refund, you're going to be getting TurboTax Online Premier so you can file for free no matter what tax form you use, everybody. So to learn more about TurboTax, head over to SteveHarveyTV.com, okay? Hey, we'll be right back, folks.